Alright, so today we are going to be making beef bourguignon. To start, dice your meat up into little cubes and put them into a bowl and start marinate your meat in Burgundy wine. After you've marinated the meat overnight in a pan, sear your meat on all sides. Once you've done that, put the meat aside in a bowl. Then grab your medium diced mirepoix, which is 2 parts onions, 1 part celery, and 1 part carrot. Then put your onions in the pan for about 5 minutes to allow for it to brown more, and then put your carrots and your celery in after that and let it brown for about 5-10 minutes. Then once your mirepoix is browned and ready to go, put your meat back in and add your wine. After you've added your wine, go ahead and add your beef stock and then let it come to a simmer. After it's been simmering for about an hour, add the thyme, the bay leaves, the peppercorn, and then let it thicken for another hour to an hour and a half, and then add your salt at the end. Then the plate you put on top of mashed potatoes and serve it like that. And then I make the mashed potatoes in another video.